Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. So many of you have been asking me what did I get from Cruise Collection, because like many of you, I've not been a huge fan of the casino chips, the race cars, and all of the like kind of flowery things on everything. So I wanted to show you a quick little unboxing. I have already unboxed it for the sake of efficiency, of what I picked up when I was overseas. I did pick up other pieces in California, but not that many. You've all seen them. Simple black dress that you saw in video 1, simple white dress that you saw in video 1, and that's it. So that and these pieces are what I picked up from 23C 2023 Cruise. The prices, for those of you wondering, I know there was a talk for a while about an increase in price in ready-to-wear in Europe. It did happen. They actually are pretty on par now with the US, so you're not going to save a lot of money on ready-to-wear coming here. What you will save is when you get your VAT back and then you declare it customs, the difference there is pretty substantial. So you're still in the good 10 to 15% savings. But if you're going there looking for, a top that's 800 euros less, it doesn't happen anymore, not from my experience. So with that, I will just show you the beautiful flagship store boxes just here. I'll show you what I picked up and then see what you all think. So if you watch Paris video 1 and 2, you will see how these garments look on. And so this is just what I ended up getting from those try-ons. This little jacket, I like it because it's very lightweight. As you'll see in my original video, it's very lightweight. Goes with blue, black for bottoms, and then just about any color under the rainbow underneath, literally. It is cropped, has a single eye hook closure. And then I picked up, this is a real basic, not something I would usually get. It's very nautical, which is kind of not my thing generally speaking, but I want to just toss this on with a pair of jeans and be able to run out the door and look a little bit put together. So I did get this one, extremely great fabric, lightweight. It's that same cotton and polyamide combination that I've been mentioning in all of the all of the Cruise 23 collection. I also picked up this little tank, just with, again, simple jeans. This one doesn't have anything sticking out too much, no patches on it. It's just a basic tee. And this is also, all of these pieces you can see in video 1 or video 2 from Paris. I picked up this romper here, which I call it the onesie. So the thing that you have to be careful of is it's really long in the crotch, so it does kind of look like a onesie. I haven't exactly figured out where I'm going to wear this to yet, but I'll figure that out in the future. It does have patches, like this big one on the back. I'm not really sure what this is about here, but I'm sure it has some meaning, knowing Chanel, but I don't know what it is. And then on the front, it has quite a few patches here and here. The patches are not my favorite part, but if they didn't do that, they would just have a plain white $80 onesie, right? So they had to add something more intriguing, and so I did get this one. And this one, I know some of you saw that I tried a 36 and a 38. I went up a size because I didn't want it really fitted and truly looking like a onesie, like I was an infant or something. You also saw me say I didn't like this on. Before I left the store, I ended up changing my mind. I changed my mind about the color, and because I love the back. So for many of us, one of our trouble spots is along this side of the back, like the flank area. The way that this is cut actually allows you to avoid showing that area, but still show the sexy part of a woman's back. So between that and the bubblegum color, I did pick it up. There's a cardigan that matches it, a cropped cardigan, for those of you interested. And then the last couple of items are just little SLGs, small leather goods. So this is the Monte Carlo themed zip card case. These are all zip card cases. I don't like big wallets, so you'll never see me really buy a large wallet. This is a Chanel 19 card case. If I had the tags, so there's no tag in here, I would show you which one it is so you could pick it up if you were interested. Yeah, no tag. So, and then the other one, that many of you may remember this from spring, summer. I was looking for this style for a long time, and I just happened to see it in their little box where it has the two little card case here, one card case here, and then inside is a traditional card case. But it's really not, if you compare thickness, much thicker, I can show you from the side, than the original one. But you get a lot more functionality, and they had it in the caramel color that so many people love. So that's all I picked up from Paris, my little mini haul. Hope you found this helpful, and if you do, please tell your friends, and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.